Seems like everywhere you go, you hear more and more bad news about the economy. Now, we have a special report on how the economy is affecting the family law courts in the state of Nevada. First, a look at Washoe County.
Stronger, faster.
Your Honor, to be in violation and be held in contempt, my client has to be specifically violating a provision of this order that's clear, and he's not.
Counsel?
Your Honor, I'd like to draw your attention to page 1, lines 350 through 357. It is clearly stated. It's unambiguous right here.
Bailiff, give me my magnifying glass.
I told you, Deputy Sheriff.
You look like you have a job, hack. Give me that glass.
And then, Your Honor, on page 2, on the back side, I'd like to draw your attention to lines 1 through 7 as well.
Listen, these budget cuts are getting bad. We're using both sides of the paper now? Counsel, it's 4:59. The lights are going to go off at 5 o'clock. Well, we don't have budget for overtime. This case is over. Case dismissed.
Oh my God, out of Staples again? This place is unbelievable. Okay, it's my turn to use the pencil to tweet. Oh, gross, chewed up, no erasers. This place is the best.
Great, now no color. Well, no one reads NFLR anyways. Look at the lights.
That was just shocking. If you think that's bad, wait until you see what's happening in the family law courts in Las Vegas.
Call in the first offender.
Number 1.
What did you do?
I didn't return my client's phone calls within 24 hours.
You know what the punishment is for that, correct?
I do.
Hands up. Bailiff, please hand me my ruler.
Deputy Sheriff.
I don't have time for this crap. Give me the ruler.
He broke my finger!
Return your phone calls next time. Please call in offender number 2.
Number 2.
You look like a real dirtbag. What'd you do?
I took money from my client's trust fund.
This is our bailiff's favorite offense. Do you know what punishment? Do you know what's gonna happen?
No.
Waterboarding. Bailiff?
You can call me bailiff for this one.
All right, dirtbag, come here. Come to mama. You don't take your client's money! It was only $200,000! That's $200,000 too much! Good for you, baby! Get out of here!
I've reviewed the statute, and this is the right way to apply it.
No, respectfully, you're wrong.
Let's ask the judge.
Your Honor, based on your numerous years on the bench and your experience, how do we apply this law?
I'll decide this after recess. I need to drink my juice. Bailiff, give my books.
Yes, sir.
Can you excuse that?
No, be seated. I'd like to apologize for the lack of heat in the building, but the budget cuts are what they are. Counsel, is your clothing appropriate for court?
The economy affects us all, your trashiness.
These are unprecedented times. Our sources are indicating that the Supreme Court is even forced Justice Moffat into early retirement just to save on his bar tab at the Ely family.
Gee, Sally, you've been friends for such a long time. I know you're divorced with two little rugrats. My attorney says there's some new Rivero case. I didn't know how long I have my kids for custody and for child support. I don't know where to turn. Can you help me out?
Sean, let me help you. The Wonder Company invented this great new device. It's called the Rivero stopwatch. Let me tell you how it works. You put a scanner in your child. Each parent scans the child. It gives the court a printout of the exact time the child spends with each parent. I'll give you a small demonstration.
That's great. Why do we have to meet at the courthouse anyway? Look at all this ghetto stuff.
Well, you wanted to do it like the judge said.
Give me that baby.
No, she's a little fussy. Give me a minute with it.
You don't be so fussy at all. Give me that baby.
No. She's fussy. Hang on.
I am not playing tug of war with that baby. Let's scan it.
Ava, run like mommy taught you.
Come back, baby. Quick.
51%.
Works like a charm. How did the Supreme Court come up with this idea?
Well, wonder no more. The Wonder Company installed secret cameras inside the Supreme Court building so we can see just how the justices came up with such a brilliant idea. Let's go and look now.
And the janitor's on vacation. What are we supposed to do?
Hold on. Oh, wait, this is easy. The family law section suggests that we adopt the Missouri definition of joint physical custody, which rests on the significant but not equal definition, I guess. What the hell does that mean? It's a question of fact, not our problem. Who cares?
You're a genius. You know what? I can solve another one of our problems. You know when they have joint physical custody but it's not equal time?
That stupid question, get out of child support?
Hold on a second.
No, this is justice. I don't care what you're doing. Come up here. Remember that research tool I told you about? Yeah, the one that they came up with alimony with? Yeah, we need that right now.
Hold on. Let's change the formula. And we have 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's going to be an 8-step formula. I know. Ready? Step 1.
The first step is the same as the right formula. The court calculates the amount of child support each parent must pay pursuant to NRS 125B-070, including any adjustments supported by specific findings of fact.
Sounds smart. Perfect.
Looks like we're really trying.
All right, let's try this up.
Who cares? We have a new law clerk in January.
Yeah, let's do it.
Fifth, the court subtracts this adjusted child support amount from the parent who has the child more of the time and adds the adjusted amount to the parent who has the child support.
What does that mean? They'll keep guessing for years. That's a little bit frightening. We all know attorneys and judges can't do math. So what did the company come up with a way to solve this problem?
Well, the Wonder Company tried to come up with a mathematical formula for the Rivero case, but they couldn't figure it out. There's an attorney named Willick from Las Vegas. He did it in like 15 minutes after the case came out. I guess the guy has nothing better to do.
for calculating who's the winner this year, we have a couple of quick things to do. One is the silver ball tickets. So, maybe a little late. Okay. Amber Robinson. If you would just meet with the, come up here and we'll make sure you get the silver ball tickets. Before we get the announcements, we have one quick thing. Jamie, I don't know if she's here. We have a calculation of who won the team events. You could announce that really quick before we get the decision on the squirrel.
Thanks for participating. Whoever participated in the games. Hope you had fun. The winning team was Serenity. So we have lovely barbecue sets for all these members of Serenity. If you want to come up and grab them, you can go ahead and do so. Thanks again.
So just after this, if you come up, if you're on Team Serenity, you can get your award. One thing before we get the announcement, I'd like to thank the State Bar staff for all their contribution. There's so much work that goes into this each year. So I'd like a round of applause for Jamie and the rest of the staff that put this on. All right, Justice Gibbons, excuse me. The mic is yours, or you can give me the calculations.
Thank you so much, and this was a lot of fun because going through all these vignettes, we had to do these complicated math calculations. So with the help of Judge Hardy at our table here, we not only applied the Rivero formula right there, but we double-checked it with the Monquist formula. After all the calculations, it's very, very close. We did some adjustments because of the number of commercials wasn't fair as far as the split between the North and the South, but on a very close vote between Sammy the Squirrel and the Rivero custody scanner, the South wins. Marshall Willick, our usually represented the South with Tracy and
we will keep him safe. Tune in next year. Thank you all. Good night.
Enjoy the rest of your night. We're going to leave now, and thank you all for coming.